Welcome to Pydle Day 156. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Do visit the social media links at the bottom. So YouTube for daily solutions, Reddit for general discussions, and GitHub for suggestions for improvements or bugs. So today's puzzle is a cherry, or a couple of cherries hanging off a branch. So have a go at solving that. If you're new to Pydle or you just want some hints how to play Pydle, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a jellyfish. Not a very good jellyfish, but good enough. I'm gonna just show something you can kind of investigate as you approach a Pydle problem. So because it's symmetrical around the y-axis, I'm going to use Cartesian coordinates for x, so -2, 3, but y is not symmetrical, so I'm just going to stick with the Pydle coordinates. So as soon as we do that, we need to convert back to Pydle coordinates. I'm just going to play around with it and just print out x times y in the cells and just see what we get. And let's just make that yellow, because that is bulk of our puzzle. Okay, so you can see that all the white pixels, x times y is either -4 or 4. So that is actually very helpful, because that's a very compact way of writing that condition. So if we say if x, or absolute value of x times y equals 4, okay, white. Okay, while we're there, we might as well just look at the rest of the puzzle. So once we've eliminated the whites with that very simple statement, then we've got the yellows, and then we need to distinguish between the orange eyes and the rest of the body. And there we can see that x times y equals either -1 or 1. Okay, which is also handy, because none of the other pixels have got that product. Okay, so let's take that away, because we don't want to print anything there. So we just say else, and now we say Pydle 2 plus x y, and nothing there. And now we say orange if absolute value of x times y equals 1, else yellow. Okay, so you may have seen some of the comments and really clever solutions people have come up with, using things just like bitwise ands and ors, and XORs, and all kind of bitwise operations. So it's sometimes helpful to just play around with those. So Pydle, the third argument, can take either a string or number value. So you can do whatever you want there. Any characters if you wanted to do exclusive OR, not exclusive or bitwise or x and y. Then you just run that. So you can see, and it's a little bit strange there. Oh yeah, it's 5. So it just helps you to experiment and kind of see patterns more. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. I may come back tomorrow for some further tips. That solves the Pydle. 124 characters, which is not bad. It's not great, but it's okay. Have a look at solving the cherries, and come back tomorrow for a solution. Thank you for watching.